Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will learn how our interior design studio works and how to use its tools. So, first of all, you need to log in with your account, come over to dashboard and click on interior design studio here. Once the interior design studio open, as you can see, we have a similar interface which we have seen in Draw Sketch Studio, where we can see our other studio links. We have a tool window here on the left side, and on this right side we have a working window which we have all the renderings and the history shows. We are going to start our interior design studio training, so I will explain you each and every tool what we have offer here and how it does it work and how you can use it efficiently. All right, so I'm very excited to show you these all tool. Let's get started. Before we jump into rendering and I show you each and every tool here, right, I want to show you what I have done in the past and what the tool can do and what was the result. So we will do I will show you the results what we have, what I did before as a test, right? And then once I show you everything on the testing, we will do another testing to show you each and every tool to the live. I mean, for the training purpose, I will do it again to show you how to use it, these options. Okay, so first I will show you the tool, what was the result, and then we will jump into the real rendering. First we start, of course, this is the upload area where you upload your sketch, your image, right, in JPEG format or the PNG format. So our first tool is floor plan. In the floor plan, we have two options: normal floor plan, which is like 90 straight to the from the top, and isometrics like a 45 angle. So I will show you the result of our floor plan. So as you can see, we have like several testing here. So if I show you the from let's suppose if I show you this one, I just click on it and it shows over here. So this is the floor plan I uploaded and this is the result. So if you want to see in a better resolution, I can show you like this. So this is, see, this is our result. Is it nice? Right? See, the guys, the quality, the performance you get is really top notch. You cannot match with any other market outside available. You can try other people, but I think I've this platform is really high quality, as you can see. So this is the first one, render floor plan. If you use this isometric floor plan, it will show you the 45 angle in a nicer, beautiful way. If I go here, I just click on it and it shows on this preview area. So it, on the left side it will show the plan, and on the right side it shows you the isometric floor plan, which is in 45 angle in a very beautiful way. If you want to see the high resolution, I just click on this one and it shows you like this. You can, by the way, download also. Let's download this and I'll show you the full screen. See, this is in a beautiful 45 isometric view. It's like that. So while we are here, I will show you we have a four option. When you click on the history panel, we have a four option. One option is this one. You can lock this one, so system will not delete it, because after a few months we just go through our old renders and we try to delete to clean up our database. So once you click on it, it's protected and system cannot delete it. So its system will understand this is a very important file, so it should not be deleted. As you can see, it shows, once you click on it, it shows protected, right? Okay. Second, of course, this is the button for the download. Third is, like you can see, you can have to make this on a full screen like that to want to see in a bigger scale. And this one, of course, delete it. It will delete from the system. So this is the floor plan thing. Let's go to next one, which is called quick template sketch to render. So this one, what you need to do is you need to upload your sketch on here. And for the making of this quick template is just to make your life very easy. You need to just upload your sketch and just click on the click on the option, and just it's like one click on it, and just go and generate render. It will render. No need to put your custom prompt and setting those things. And see, we have also a manual render also, but to make your life very easy, we have made those templates. Once you upload your image, just go directly here. This is specially designed for the sketch to render. Like sketch, the a black and white sketch I'm talking. So if I show you the result, this is the, this one. Just click on it and upload your sketch like this. By the way, this is something else. Sorry. I'll show you. Let me go down. Okay, I think it's not there. I might accidentally delete it. But the thing is, you upload your sketch like this, okay, black and white, and you say system that I need the interior daytime, I need interior dusk time, I need interior nighttime. So it produce similar thing for you, right? Now moving on, the other one, we have a raw sketch also. Like you have a under construction home. If you have any under construction home interior wise, you can upload your file over same place here, and head towards the quick template raw construction. You can just click interior day, interior night, on day dusk, and system will make accordingly. Let me show you the result what we had. If I go down, see, these are the one, the 1 2 3 4 are the one I tested before. So if I go, let's suppose if I go here, this one, click on it, and this one, see, this is the under construction area, and this is what it makes from this option, raw construction interior design from QuickTime, right? So after this one, we will move on to single furniture floor plan view. So what you do, you just upload your let's suppose if you are making a floor plan, something like this, 2 device like this, and you need an image on the top view, or if you are making something in a Photoshop or something, and you need image for your furniture, and if the furniture is on 3D view, you don't have the top view, you simply upload, um, let's suppose, see this one. If you have a furniture like this and you don't have a top view of this, it's really easy. You upload your 3D furniture, similar place where here, and just head over to this area where single furniture floor plan is written. What you can do, you can either take 3D top view, which is this is the 3D top view, or 2D top view, which is this one. So you can make both of them very easily, like this or like this. 3D 2D both are available. Okay. Now after this one, we have photo to sketch. Photo to sketch is this one. This is what I did. This is the photo I download from the internet, and then Upload, I similarly I upload over here and just click upload. After uploading, I just click this one only. Really easy. Convert to sketch and it will give you the line drawing in a black and white format. So guys, till here I think you really like what we offering here. It's like really making your life easy and simple. Just templates, upload your sketch and just click it and just render, and then your result will come amazingly. So I think I will show you more of the raw render. For example, if I show you here, this was the image and this was the result. This one, this is the similar image I showed you, and this is the different result came. And this image, this is the previous one, and this is how it's make it. Once you have done the render, have more option here. You can download, of course, which it says similar. It will download this image. Upscale image, you can go for a maximum to 8K and 4K, depend on your subscription. Um, then this is a very nice tool, edit render. By the way, edit render, if you want to learn very deeply, I explained in the previous videos. You can check that one. I explain each and every option there. So another one is save to project. You can manage the projects and save each render in the same project. Select to render. I will make a separate video of it, um, and I will make it very soon. And generate video is really nice. Also, you can make a video also. If you click on it, it will open a window where you can give your own um, prompt also, and we have a preset, you can easily use them, whatever you want to, whatever your scenario is for the rendering. And with custom prompt, you can also give them your own prompt also. Now I will explain you our tool, which is completely prompt wise from here. Yeah, as you can see from this one, render mode, you can set the photorealistic, which is this one. You can render in watercolor, oil paintings, sketch, comic, and you can change the all the color mode, detail wise. You can do anything. You can enhance the scale and material paint repaint also. But I think we have those things already in edit render here, which is more advanced. You can put your own material, own color, and on your own custom prompt also. It will work on this one, which I already explained in the previous window. So this is the main thing you can do. Keep the photorealistic or the artistic as you want. The option will open for you. So this is the custom kind of rendering. Once you go in photorealistic, you don't, if you don't want to use any of those template, which is like sketch to render or raw construction, if you don't want to use that, you can go directly custom rendering. You can choose photorealistic. You can select your own lighting here, which we have like 4 5 lighting scenario. Daytime, we have weather, all kind of weather here. Cameras, as you can see, quality level, and we have a custom prompt available here. You can create your own prompt and hit render. It's that simple. And of course you need to upload your sketch before you do anything. So guys, this is the overview, and what I have done in terms of the testing and how the platform is working, the quality wise. So this is what I wanted to show you. In the next one, I will explain you each and every option here. with the rendering proof, so you will learn more precisely. All right. By the way, this is the another option, another thing which I uploaded for the sketch, from here, render to sketch. This is the nighttime, and this is the result. Similarly, this is the daytime. If I show you the like this, and this one. So guys, you can, as you can see, the result and the quality is really nice. This is the nighttime. All right, and this was another plan. Up next, I will tell you each and every option in action in real time, how these things works. No talking, we will do practical this time. Okay, thank you.